Hello dear students, in this particular video we will be solving NDA 1 2022 paper. So without any further ado, let's start with question number 1. It says how many permutations are there of the letters of the word tiger in which the vowel should not occupy the even positions. Okay, so in tiger we have 5 letters Tiger, and it is given that let us draw 5 places here. I and E should not occupy the even spaces. So even spaces are what? 2 and 4. So we cannot place I and E over here, right? So that means there are only 3 places in which we can keep I and E. So I and E can be placed in 3P 2 ways. Why 3P? P means permutation where order is important. That means first place I can keep I or I can keep E. So order is important. So 3P2 is nothing but 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial, which is 3 factorial divided by 1 factorial, that is 6. And so now these two are filled. Let's say this place and this place is filled by I and E or E and I. Okay, so the remaining 3 places are 1, 2, 3. So remaining 3 places for which we have TGR. So these can be filled in again 3P 3 ways because order is important. You can fill here R, T, G or GTR, anything. So 3P3 is nothing but 3 factorial, which is 6. So these are to be done continuously, right? First this and this. So 6 into 6, which is 36. So the option B is correct, 36. Let us see the second one. It says let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square plus bx plus q equals to 0. If a cube and b cube are the roots of the equation x square plus mx plus n equals to 0, then what is the value of m plus n? So students, we know that from first equation I can write the sum of roots alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So I can write minus p. The coefficient of x is b. So b is p. So p divided by a. A here is 1. The coefficient of x square. So we got alpha plus beta equals to p by 1. Negative p by 1, which is negative p. Okay. Then it is given that now also alpha into beta product of roots is c by a. So q by a, which is q by 1 equals to q, right? Then we are given that for this equation alpha cube and beta cube are the roots of the equation x square plus mx plus n equals to 0. Then what is the value of m plus n? Okay, so if alpha cube and beta cube are the roots of the equation x square plus mx plus n, then sum of roots will be equal to what? Minus b by a. So b here is the coefficient of x, which is m divided by 1, which is negative m. Okay, next thing we have is then what is the value of m plus n? So I can say product of roots, that is alpha cube into beta cube, will be equal to n. All right, so alpha cube into beta cube is nothing but n, and alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to negative n, isn't it? So now what we can do is we have to find what is m plus n. So what's m? M is equals to alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, so from equation 1, right, from this equation, can I say alpha plus beta whole cube will be equal to negative p whole cube from this equation? Okay, so alpha plus beta whole cube is alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. All right, so this thing is equal to negative p cube is nothing but negative p cube only. Negative 1 cube is negative 1 and p cube. Now alpha cube plus beta cube, we know that it is equals to minus m. So substitute here. Also plus what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is negative p. So I can write 3 into alpha beta into negative p. This value alpha plus beta, from 1 I have substituted. Now what is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is positive q. So this is negative p cube. So alpha into beta is positive q into negative p, and this is minus m equals to negative p cube. Now we have to write n value, right friends? So now how to get n value? So can I also say here m plus n we have to write. So we got m is equals to negative m minus 3pq is equals to minus pq. Therefore, p cube minus 3pq is equals to m. So we got m value. Now from here, n is what? Alpha cube into beta cube. So from here I can write n is equals to alpha beta into whole to the power 3. Now what is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is q. Okay, so I can write n is equals to q to the power 3, right? So therefore m plus n is equals to m is p cube minus 3p cube plus n is how much? Q cube. So p cube plus q cube minus 3p cube. So p cube plus q cube minus 3p cube. D is the answer. Let's see the third one. Let me erase this. So question number 3 says, let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square minus ax minus bx plus ab minus c is equals to 0. Okay. So alpha and beta are the roots. So I can rewrite this equation. What is the quadratic equation whose roots are a and b? So question number 3, I can write x square minus outside a plus b plus c whole into x plus ab minus c equals to 0. Okay. And alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. We have to find what is the quadratic equation whose roots are a and b. So we know that an equation with roots a and b, with roots a and b is given by x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots, that is equals to 0. This is the equation when roots are given. So I can write here x square minus sum of roots will be what? A plus b into x plus what is product of roots, right? So product of roots is a into b equals to 0. Okay, but here we are given that alpha plus beta is nothing but we have a plus b. Sorry, yeah, this c is not there. A plus b is equals to what? Alpha plus beta is equals to, from this equation I can write it as minus a plus b and then minus outside once more divided by a. Okay, because sum of roots is what? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So here negative b is the coefficient of x, so minus a minus b, right? Minus is already outside, minus a minus b divided by 1, which is a plus b. Okay, so alpha plus beta is a plus b. So I can write x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus a into b is equals to 0. All right. Now what is product of roots? Can I say alpha into beta is equals to ab minus c? That is c by a is 1. So it is ab minus c only. So from first equation, I can write ab is equals to alpha into beta plus c. Okay, so just replace these things. X square, open the bracket, minus alpha x minus beta x. Then ab is nothing but alpha beta plus c. So alpha beta plus c equals to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, so which option is correct now? We can match negative, positive, and positive. So these two negatives, so answer is A. Here. Moving on to next one, question number 4. It says, if the roots of the equation x square minus ax minus bx minus cx plus bc plus ca equals to 0 are equal, then which of the following is correct? So condition for equal roots is discriminant b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Okay, so here I can rewrite the equation like this: a plus b plus c into x plus bc plus ca is equals to 0. So now what is b square? This complete thing is b, this complete thing is c, and a is equals to 1, the coefficient of x square. So b square matlab a plus b plus c whole square minus 4ac, 4ac, c is bc plus ca is equals to 0. Okay, now a plus b plus c whole square is how much? A plus b plus c whole square identity is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So this is the identity we are going to use here. So I can rewrite this thing as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca minus 4bc minus 4ac equals to 0. So now we have finally a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc minus 4bc will give me negative 2bc. 2ac minus 4ac will give me negative 2ac. Just open the brackets and add these terms. So now students, you can see here, this c term is negative, right? If I change here c as negative c, so wherever we have c, right, in 2ab term, this term c is negative. So therefore, I can write this complete thing as a plus b minus c whole square equals to 0. Therefore, a plus b minus c equals to 0. Therefore, option C is correct. Moving on to next one. It is given that let alpha and beta, where alpha is greater than beta, be the roots of the equation x square minus 8x plus q equals to 0. If alpha square minus beta square is equals to 16, right? Then what is the value of q? So it is given to us that alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. So what is alpha plus beta? From here I can say alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So minus of minus 8. This is b, right? Coefficient of x is b. So minus of minus 8 divided by a. So this is positive 8 divided by a is 1. So we got 8. Alpha plus beta is equals to 8. Okay. Next thing is alpha into beta is equals to how much? We have q. All right. Then the condition given to us here is alpha square minus beta square equals to 16. So alpha square minus beta square means 16, isn't it? So I can write this thing as basically a square minus b. So a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? Is equals to 16. So now here we have a alpha plus beta is equals to 8. So I can write here 8 into alpha minus beta equals to 16. So alpha minus beta value is how much? 16 by 8, which is 2. Okay. So here we got alpha plus beta is equals to, we got 8, and alpha minus beta, we got it as 2. So now if I add these two equations, beta and beta will cancel. We have 2 alpha is equals to 10 or alpha equals to 5. So if alpha is equals to 5, we know that beta is equals to alpha plus beta is 8. So therefore beta will be equal to 3. Okay. So now what is q? Q is equals to alpha into beta. So 5 into 3, 3 into 5 is 15. So answer is positive 15. So fifth question is answer D. Let's see the next question. What is the maximum value of n such that 5 power n divides 30 factorial plus 35 factorial, where n is a natural numbers? Okay. So now students, we have to see what is 35 factorial. Okay. So 35 factorial is nothing but 35 into 34 into 33 into 32 into 31 and so on till into 1. So we have to find those numbers which are factors of 5. So 35 factorial. So we have 35, which is a factor of 5. Then we have 30, whose factor is 5. Then we have 25. Then we have 20. Then we have 15. Then we have 10. And then we have 5. Okay. So now how many 5s do we have? 35 can be written as 5 into 7. Okay. Into 30 can be written as 5 into 6. This 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Then 20 can be written as 5 into 4. 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 10 can be written as 5 into 2. And then into 5. So how many 5s we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here this product will give me 5 power 8. Okay. So we have total 8 5s in 35 factorials. So similarly, in 30 factorial, how many we will have? We have 5 power 7, right? 7 5s will be there. Now we have to add this, isn't it? So 35 factorial has 5 power 8 and 30 factorial has 5 power 7. So plus 5 power 7. So where this is 30 factorial plus 35 factorial. So if I take common 5 power 7, we will basically get 5 plus 1 extra term, right? So here we got it as 5 power 7 into 6 divided by 5 it will do, right? So maximum power of 5 which will divide this number, okay, is 7. Then only 5 power 7 is divided by 5. Okay, so the concept here is we'll write 35 factorial in such a way that the numbers which have 5 in it, so 5 power 8, but here we have plus also, right? So we have to find n such that 5 power n divides the complete number 35 factorial plus 30 factorial. So 35 has 5 power 8 plus 30 factorial. So in 30 factorial we have only 5 power 7. So 7 5s are there multiplied together. So we have to add it and then divide by 5 power. So the maximum value of n will be 7. So that's your answer. Moving on to next one, question number 7. It says, what is the value of 2 into 1? So students, we know that 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 factorial. Similarly, 3 into 2 into 1 is 3 factorial. So basically we have first term as 2 into 2 factorial. Second term is 3 into 3 factorial. Third term is 4 into 4 factorial. So let's see a pattern over here. What is this? 2 into 2 factorial. This is 4. 3 into 3 factorial is 3 factorial is 6. 6 into 3, 18. Isn't it? Okay. So now here we got 3 factorial into 3, which is 18. Okay. Then what is 4 into 4 factorial? 4 into 4 factorial is nothing but we are getting it as 4 factorial is 24 into 4, which is 96, right? So how much is this? 4 plus 18, and then we have last term as 2, right? So this 4 plus 18 is 22 plus 2, which is 24, right? So can I say 2 into 2 factorial plus 2 if I add this last constant term, right? Plus 3 into 3 factorial. This result is nothing but 24. And what is 24? 24 is nothing but 4 factorial, isn't it? So what is this? This can be generalized as when n is equals to 3. The answer we got, the sum is n plus 1 factorial, isn't it? So similarly, 2 plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 4 into 4 factorial will be equal to 5 factorial, isn't it? So you can check here, 96 plus 18 plus 4 is 118 plus this constant 2 will give you 120. So 120 is 5 factorial. Therefore, the answer is n plus 1 factorial. Now n is equals to what? Maximum value is 9. So 9 plus 1 factorial is equals to 10 factorial. So answer is 10 factorial, which is B. Moving on to next one, question number 8. It says if A equals to a set 1, 2, 3 inside a set. So this thing is known as one element. There is only one element in the set, right? So find how many elements are there in the power set. So students, we know that power set is a collection of all the subsets. So phi is a subset of all the sets, and then a set itself is a subset of itself. So we have 2 because there is only one element. So 2 power n, which is 2 power 1 equals to 2. So answer here is 2. Next one, question number 9. If A, B, C are in GP, where A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0, and C is greater than 0, then which of the following are correct? First one, they are in GP. Second one, they are in GP. Under root are in GP. So which of the following is correct? So let's see. It is given that A, B, C are in GP. So what do you mean by geometric mean? From here I can say B square will be equal to what? A into C. Because geometric progression means B by A should be equal to C by B. From here, if I cross multiply, I'll get this relation, right? So same thing can I say for this one? First one, if they are in GP, then the ratio should be same. So B square divided by A square should be equal to C square divided by B square, which implies cross multiplication B power 4 equals to A square into C square, right? So if I square this first one, I'll get this relation. Therefore, this is correct. First one is correct, isn't it? So B square is equals to AC, therefore B power 4. If I square this both, I'll get this relation. Therefore, this is correct. First one is correct. Next one is 1 by A, 1 by B, and 1 by C are in G. So 1 by B, again common ratio divided by 1 by A should be equal to 1 by C divided by 1 by B, which is nothing but A by B should be equal to B by C, which will again give us B square equals to AC, right? So therefore, they are again in GP because B square equals to AC is again satisfied. So again, this is also in GP. Now, third one, under root B is equals to, if they are in GP, so under root B divided by under root A should be equal to under root C divided by under root B. So here, if I cross multiply, root B into root B should be equal to under root C into under root A. So root B into root B is B. Under root C into under root A is nothing but under root A into C. So if I square both the side, I'll get B square equals to AC. So again, we got the same result, B square equals to AC, because it is already in G. Therefore, all the three are correct. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. Moving on to next one. It says, if A plus B by 2, B and B plus C by 2 are in HP. So HP means if A is in GP, ABC are in AP, then HP means 1 by A, 1 by B, and 1 by C will be in HP. This is the relation between harmonic progression and arithmetic progression. So from AP, these are given to us in HP. Then which of the following is correct? They have asked. So that means 1 divided by A plus B by 2, comma, 1 by B, comma, 1 divided by A, B plus C by 2 should be in AP, right? Because AP is related to HP by a reciprocal relation. AP is 1 by HP. So from here, if they are in AP, I can say 1 by B, right? 1 by B should be equal to A plus C. That is, what is 1 by A plus B by 2? This 2 will go up. So 2 divided by A plus B plus 2 divided by B plus C whole divided by 2. This is known as your arithmetic mean, right? So the middle term is equals to A plus C divided by 2. So now I can say here, I can take 2 common. I'll write here A plus B plus divided by B plus C, whole thing divided by 2. So 2 cancels out. We got 1 by B equals to this. Okay. So now if I cross multiply this thing, I'll get basically B plus C plus A plus B whole divided by A plus B into B plus C, which is equals to 1 by B, right? Because LCM of A plus B and B plus C is this. So now A into B, just cross multiply this thing. I'm taking it here. And here we will, if I solve this numerator, B plus B is 2B plus A plus C, whole thing multiplied by B, cross multiplication, and then A into B, AB, A into C, AC, then B into B, B square, then we have B into C, BC. So this will become 2B square plus AB plus BC equals to AB plus AC plus B square plus BC. So I can cancel BC, BC, AB and AB. Therefore, take this B square here. So we'll get B square minus 2B square minus B square equals to AC. So we got finally B square equals to AC. So students, we know that this is geometric mean. Therefore, ABC are in GP. So option B is correct. Okay. Let me erase this part. Let's move on to the next question, which is from trigonometry. It says, what is the value of cot square 15 degrees plus tan square 15 degrees? Okay. So here I can write cot in terms of in terms of cos and sine. So cos square, cot is what? Cot is cos square 15 degrees divided by sine square 15 degrees. Cot is cos by sine, tan is sine by cos. So plus sine square 15 degrees divided by cos square 15 degrees, right? So we have to find the value of this. Now, if I cross multiply, I'll get the LCM of this is sine square into cos square. So that's the LCM. So sine square 15 degrees into cos square 15 degrees. So this will give me cos power 4 15 degrees plus sine power 4 15 degrees, isn't it? Okay. So now, since what is a square plus b square whole square? It is equals to a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a square b square. So this relation we are going to use. So can I write a power 4 plus b power 4 as a square plus b square whole square minus 2a square b square? I can do that, right? So I can write this thing as equals to cos square 15 degrees plus sine square 15 degrees whole square minus 2 into sine square 15 into cos square 15 degrees. Whole thing divided by sine square 15 degrees into cos square 15 degrees. Okay. So now what is sine square theta plus cos square theta? It is 1. So we have 1 minus 2 sine square 15 degrees into cos square 15 degrees divided by sine square 15 degrees into cos square 15 degrees. Now we know one relation that sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a cos a, sine double angle form, right? Sine 2a identity is this. So now if I square it, right? So if I square both the sides, so sine square 2a will become 4 into sine square a into cos square a. But here we have only 2. So what we will do is we will multiply and divide by 2. So that this becomes 2 minus 4 sine square 15 degrees into cos square 15 degrees divided by 2 into sine square 15 degrees into cos square 15 degrees. Okay. So now this 4 sine square into cos square, this term I can write it as 2 minus sine of 2 into 15 degrees. Whole thing divided by, right? Again 2. But this, if I square both the side, I need in denominator 4, right? So again I have to multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. So 2 into 2 will become 4. So 4 sine square 15 degrees into cos square 15 degrees. So I hope you have understood this step. Twice I have multiplied by 2 in numerator and denominator because 4 sine square cos square can be written as sine square 2a. Okay, so this is square basic. So now the denominator can be converted into this. We got it as 2 to the 4 minus 2 into sine square 30 degrees, whole thing divided by sine square 30 degrees, right? Sine 2a formula. So sine square 2a. So 2 into 15. So we finally have 4 minus 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square divided by 1 by 2 whole square. So this thing is 4 minus 2 into 1 by 4, whole thing divided by 1 by 4. So this thing is equals to 4 minus 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 4. So we have 4 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 4 2s are 8 minus 1, which is 7 by 2. Sorry, 7 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 4. Okay, so we can rewrite this thing as 7 by 2 into 4, which is 4 2s are. So we got 14. All right, so 14 is the answer, which is option B. Let me erase this part to solve question number 12. So question number 12 is from trigonometry. It says in a triangle ABC, we have sine A minus cos B minus cos C equals to 0. And we have to find what is angle B equal to. All right. So it is given to us that there is a triangle. So triangle means the interior angle sum of a triangle is how much? 180 degrees, isn't it? So interior angle sum of a triangle. So I can say A plus B plus C should be equal to pi, which is 180 degree, because there is a triangle ABC. So sum of interior angle should be equal to 180. Now from here I can write from here that sine A will be equal to cos B plus cos C, isn't it? Now students, what is the identity for cos C plus cos D? So it is 2 cos B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. So from equation 1, can I say from here B plus C is equals to pi minus A? I can say that, right? So I can write here 2 into cos of B plus C is how much? Pi minus A. So pi minus A divided by 2 into cos of B minus C divided by 2. Okay, here we have sine A. Now what is this 2 into cos? If I split this, I'll get pi by 2 minus A by 2 into cos of B minus C by 2, isn't it? So here we have sine of angle A. Okay, so what is cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sine theta. Okay, so here we get 2 into sine of A by 2. All right, into cos B minus C by 2 I can write, and here I can write. So sine A, what is half angle formula? Sine A can be written as 2 sine A by 2 into cos A by 2. So I can write here 2 sine A by 2 into cos A by 2, right? So I can cancel this 2 and 2, sine A by 2, sine A by 2. Therefore, we got cos A by 2 equals to cos B minus C by 2, right? So I can compare the angles because equal to sine is there, and we have cos of this angle equals to this. Therefore, I can say, let me write it here. So therefore, we can say A by 2 will be equal to B minus C by 2, or A equals to B minus C. Therefore, we got A plus C is equals to B. Now, what is A plus C? Right? A plus C is nothing but pi minus B. From equation 1, I can write A plus C equals to pi minus B. Right? So we have pi minus B equals to B, or pi equals to 2B, or B is equals to pi by 2. So option D is correct. Pi by 2 is the correct answer. So friends, if you like my explanation, you can share this video with your friends. And if you want me to solve the rest of the questions, then do comment below. Thank you.